She left immediately.
She left immediately.
He smiled gently.
He smiled gently.
They worked efficiently.
They worked efficiently.
I listened closely.
I listened closely.
We ran quickly.
We ran quickly.
She arrived early.
She arrived early.
He slept soundly.
He slept soundly.
They played quietly.
They played quietly.
I drove carefully.
I drove carefully.
She laughed openly.
She laughed openly.
He jumped suddenly.
He jumped suddenly.
They acted honestly.
They acted honestly.
We watched anxiously.
We watched anxiously.
I waited nervously.
I waited nervously.
She danced freely.
She danced freely.
He wrote neatly.
He wrote neatly.
They sat calmly.
They sat calmly.
I responded politely.
I responded politely.
She read fluently.
She read fluently.
He behaved rudely.
He behaved rudely.
The dog barked madly.
The dog barked madly.
She painted softly.
She painted softly.
He climbed boldly.
He climbed boldly.
They ate greedily.
They ate greedily.
I walked hurriedly.
I walked hurriedly.
She moved swiftly.
She moved swiftly.
He spoke clearly.
He spoke clearly.
We hiked briskly.
We hiked briskly.
They shouted wildly.
They shouted wildly.
She coughed loudly.
She coughed loudly.
I'll go later.
I'll go later.
She came just now.
She came just now.
He will arrive soon.
He will arrive soon.
They left yesterday.
They left yesterday.
We called last night.
We called last night.
I slept early.
I slept early.
She returns tomorrow.
She returns tomorrow.
He worked last week.
He worked last week.
They meet tonight.
They meet tonight.
We arrived on time.
We arrived on time.
He visits every Sunday.
He visits every Sunday.
She texts frequently.
She texts frequently.
They run every morning.
They run every morning.
I cook daily.
I cook daily.
We eat out sometimes.
We eat out sometimes.
He plays rarely.
He plays rarely.
She prays often.
She prays often.
They exercise weekly.
They exercise weekly.
I swim monthly.
I swim monthly.
We clean once a week.
We clean once a week.
He always laughs.
He always laughs.
She never cries.
She never cries.
I usually win.
I usually win.
They hardly ever sleep late.
They hardly ever sleep late.
We occasionally travel.
We occasionally travel.
He rarely smiles.
He rarely smiles.
She regularly practices.
She regularly practices.
I sometimes forget.
I sometimes forget.
They frequently visit us.
They frequently visit us.
We normally eat together.
We normally eat together.
She is completely ready.
She is completely ready.
He is totally safe.
He is totally safe.
They are partly correct.
They are partly correct.
I am slightly tired.
I am slightly tired.
She is entirely sure.
She is entirely sure.
He is deeply moved.
He is deeply moved.
We are barely awake.
We are barely awake.
It's absolutely amazing.
It's absolutely amazing.
They were fully prepared.
They were fully prepared.
She's moderately skilled.
She's moderately skilled.
I'm very late.
I'm very late.
He's too cold.
He's too cold.
She's so happy.
She's so happy.
They're really fast.
They're really fast.
We're quite lucky.
We're quite lucky.
It's almost done.
It's almost done.
I'm just here.
I'm just here.
She's still outside.
She's still outside.
He's already gone.
He's already gone.
We're not yet finished.
We're not yet finished.
He is definitely smart.
He is definitely smart.
She is certainly tired.
She is certainly tired.
I will probably join.
I will probably join.
They will surely help.
They will surely help.
We might possibly go.
We might possibly go.
He surely knows.
He surely knows.
She just left.
She just left.
They even danced.
They even danced.
I only watched.
I only watched.
He also came.
He also came.
She works here.
She works here.
He lives there.
He lives there.
I sat outside.
I sat outside.
We stayed inside.
We stayed inside.
They played nearby.
They played nearby.
She walked ahead.
She walked ahead.
He ran downstairs.
He ran downstairs.
I went upstairs.
I went upstairs.
They sat together.
They sat together.
We met somewhere.
We met somewhere.